Normative requirements for lighting apply to outdoor areas as much as to indoor areas. The average illuminance is defined based on various evaluation criteria, 5 lux in the example. When the general lighting fails, the EN 1838 prescribes safety lighting with an illuminance of 1 lux. Outdoor escape routes must be illuminated all the way to a safe area, for example to a designated assembly point. For escape route illumination, general lighting luminaires are often connected to the central battery system. In many cases, this leads to compatibility problems. Or additional safety luminaires are installed that do not match the design of the general lighting. Combined safety luminaires, as specified in EN 6598 Part 222, offer a solution for such cases. These contain 2 light sources and 2 LED drivers for general lighting and for emergency operation. This means that you only need 1 combined luminaire from Innotek for general lighting, which additionally includes the necessary technology to comply with safety lighting standards.